Hi, this is Kathy Wallace, the Grass Lake teacher, librarian, and technology integration specialist. Today's video is going to show you how we would like students to log into their computer every single day for learning online. Once a student logs into their KSD computer using their SN, they will come to their desktop. This is their desktop here. We ask that every student go down to the Start menu, which is in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, has the 4 windows, and click on that and open up Google Chrome. Once you open Google Chrome, you may end up on the Google homepage, or you may end up on the Kent School District homepage. If you end up on Google, go ahead and just go to the Kent School District homepage, or click on Home, and you'll end up at the Grass Lake Elementary School homepage. It doesn't matter whether you're on the Kent School District page or the Grass Lake page. The pages essentially look the same. These buttons that are important for us will be the same. If your student has been instructed to log into Canvas every day, you want to start here by clicking on the Canvas button or on the Canvas button over here. Either way, once you click on this button, it will take the student to their Canvas homepage and log them in automatically. If your student is instructed to open their email every day or get on Teams, this is the way you want to get in there. You want to click on Office 365 and Teams right here towards the top of the page. When you click on that, it will open up the full suite of Microsoft apps that we use here in Kent School District. If you're instructed to check your email, you can find that right here by clicking on Outlook. You do not want to open your Start menu and click on the Outlook button here, and here's why. This is the app for Outlook, and I have tested it out several different ways, and it is always slower than using the online version of Outlook. Emails will either come in or go out between 20 minutes and 4 hours later than if you use the online version here. So I always recommend that students use the online version here. You click on Outlook and it will open up your email. You can also click here on Teams, which is the little purple icon with the T in it. That will open up your Teams, and you will be able to see where all of your meetings are taking place for online. You can see I have a lot of Teams here. I'm a member of all of our homeroom teams, so you may be able to see your classroom here looking. And this is where your meetings will take place. You can either find your meetings by opening up your homeroom and clicking on the Join Meeting link, or you can go to your calendar over here on the left and find your meeting each day. Either of those ways will work. You can also find it by going it into your email and finding the link there. So that's how we would like students to log in to their KSD computer every day in order to get to the full suite of Microsoft apps.